We'll guide you through how to use saved music on your Instagram story. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You may have gone and saved some music on Instagram which you now want to go and use on your Instagram story. So to go and do this, what you first need to do is go and start by creating your story. There are a few different ways you can do this. You can swipe across on the home page, you can click on the plus button in the bottom navigation bar, and you can also click on the plus button in the top bar and go and click on story. Then what you want to do is go and choose a photo from the camera roll, or maybe go and take a photo or video, it doesn't matter. I'll just go and take a quick photo like so. Then you need to go to the top row of options on your Instagram story, and you need to go and click on the music or audio button like so. And at the top here, you can then go and click on saved. And it'll take a moment to load, and you can then go and see the different saved audio and music at the top here. And to go and use it, all you need to do is go and click on it, just like this, and you've now added it to your story, and we can go and choose the section we want to use. The length of the section on the left here, as you can see, it can go up to 15 seconds. And along here, you can go and choose if you want to have lyrics, or if you just want the song to have the name of it, or however you want it to appear. And that's it. You can then go and press done, and you've now gone and added it. And then what we can do is go and put it on our story. It's that simple. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.